This is our project Ionic Thruster. We are using a 3.7 volt lithium ion battery of 4300 mAh. This is a Marx generator module which produces high DC voltage pulses. This is an anemometer which measures speed of velocity of air in meters per second. These are our two electrodes. One is a sharp electrode and one is a smooth electrode. This is made of nickel and this is aluminium foil. So we are basically connecting the battery first to the voltage module through the inputs, and the outputs are connected to the electrodes, sharp electrode and smooth electrode. When this module produces high voltage of up to 10,000 volts DC, when there is high voltage between them, the charge gets ionized, the air gets ionized at this point, at the sharp electrode, and because of the electric field between them, the air gets pushed this way and the air goes out of this. For measuring the air, we use this anemometer which will be placed like this and will measure the air. So now we will show you the working prototype. Currently it's in off state. We can see the air is going up. Okay, so now I'm on the prototype. You can hear a little buzzing sound, and when you go near this, you can see that the air is moving away. So we do have an anemometer, but it's malfunctioning as of now, unfortunately. But you can see the air movement through this. Now I will just off it again so that you can see the difference. You can see the air is now rising as usual, but when I on it, it gets pushed away. Thank you.